Hello everyone. So in today's video I'll be showing us how I made the opportunity tracker in Excel. So you can use this template to track opportunities that you'll be applying to this year, and I'll also be sharing the link to the description, to the download in the description. So if you want to download it, the link will be in the description. So the first thing I'm going to do is I opened my workbook and I have the headers drafted somewhere, so I've copied it. The next thing I'm just going to do is to paste it, so I'm just going to do Ctrl V. I've pasted it and I just need to do some little adjustments. Yeah, so yeah, I think this is okay. So we have opportunity name, description or link, and we have the priority, the date found, closing date, date applied, status, and notes, next step or notes, then the outcome. So the only little thing I'll be doing is I'll be adding data validation to the priority, the status, and the outcome. So from here I will do Ctrl Shift down to highlight all my cells. Then I'll go to my data tab. Then I want to apply data validation to that. Then the data validation I want to ask is a list. So my source, for the priority, I'm going to write I, comma, excited. I can put excited, and I can put, depending on how you rate the opportunity, I can write I, excited, and important. So important. So then I'm just going to hit OK. So now I have a drop down list. Depending on the opportunity, I can just select how much value I place on that opportunity. So if it's a high opportunity, something I really look up to, I'm going to select high. Then for the status, I'm going to do the same thing. Ctrl Shift down arrow key, Ctrl Shift down arrow key, and I'm going to apply data validation to that too. Then for this, I'm still going to select the list. Then what do I want to be in my list? What are the things I want to be? So for that, for the status, I'll just put applied, list. I'll put applied. Then the next one, I'll put next stage. The next one, I'll put interview. So depending on the opportunity, then rejected and accepted. So that is the status. Then I can just hit OK. So now I have a drop down list depending on the stage I am in the application. So for the outcome too, I'll do exactly the same thing. Ctrl Shift down arrow key to select, apply data validation, choose a list. I'll choose a list, and I'll click on, for the source I'll just choose accepted or rejected. So this way I have a simple tracker that I can use to track my opportunities, whatever opportunity I apply to this year. So what can I do? Let's say I apply to a scholarship. I can say scholarship. Let's say I apply to a scholarship. So I'm going to put a description to that scholarship, whatever institution or organization that is doing the scholarship. Then the priority is going to, maybe it's something I look so much up to. Then I can choose I, depending on my level of excitement. I can choose I, excited or important. So let's just choose high for this. Then the date I found is the closing date for the application. Then the date that I applied to that to that opportunity. Then the status too, whether I have applied or I'm moving to the next stage, I have interviewed, whatever stage I am. So let's say at the first instance, maybe at a particular date, I just applied. So, and I've moved to the next stage. So immediately I move to the next stage, I just need to come to this tracker, then change the status from applied to maybe rejected or interview or next stage, depending on the outcome. Then the final outcome is going to be something like maybe I was eventually accepted or rejected. So the next step is just to further information about what you want to do next, what you want to do. Probably you want to continue with the application. Maybe there are some applications that allow you to save your progress and you want to continue with it. So you can always do that. So I hope you find this helpful. If you find this helpful, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in another video.